perform data backup on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you will have to scroll all the way down and go into System. And from here go into Backup. And here you select what you want to backup. You can backup photos and videos and other device data like contacts, call history and some other stuff. So select anything that you want to backup, press confirm, and as you can see the backup is right now turned on, and here you can go to manage backup, and you can backup now if you want, or additionally the backup will actually the device will backup automatically over Wi-Fi when it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. And yeah, basically that's how to turn on and perform the data backup. Simply press this button right now, enter the lock screen, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.